Hey Sarah, this is Eddie Multi-Man Services. It's July 10th, and what we're doing today is just doing an exterior property assessment to see how your roof would fit for exterior maintenance services like window cleaning and some other washing services. So a beautiful home, by the way, awesome neighborhood, and thanks for the opportunity for having us out here. I filmed this video to allow for my crew to also see what it is that we're going to do for you, and kind of explain the benefits of why we do services a certain way. As you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our customers. We're not always able to meet in person, but right now we can take a minute to kind of walk around together, and I'll flip this camera around. We'll kind of talk about a few things that we can benefit and help out with, and then down below you can take a look at your maintenance options, and then we look forward to working for you when you're ready. So we are the roof rejuvenators as far as Roof Max of Rockford and Multi-Man Services. So Multi-Man Services specialize in proactive maintenance like gentle detergent siding washing. We can get all the mold, mildew, dirt, spider webs, bug mess off your home, and that allows for your siding to look brand spanking new on all sides, get all the green algae off. And then we can get your gutters cleaned out if you'd like, get the debris removed from any downspouts, and then we can do any outdoor window cleaning for you. A couple of options down below. If you want to remove all the screens before we get here, stack them up by the garage. We'll get them washed up for you, and then we'll let them dry, and then you can install them if you'd like, or you can have a way for us to reinstall them. However is most convenient for you. Sometimes they're a pain in the butt, sometimes they break on you. You never really know what to expect with sometimes window screens. But when we wash your windows, we clean everything from the ground with a pole, and that allows us to be safe and effective. You don't have to worry about any potential injuries, and your windows will stay cleaner longer because we don't actually use any soap. It's a a reverse osmosis deionized water technique. And what that does is it allows for, when we move from window to window, it allows for us to clean each window effectively, and they'll be wet, and we scrub them with a monofilament brush and super purified 0 TDS water. Your windows will come out super clean, and you'll be amazed. They'll stay cleaner longer too, because we're not leaving a small film residue of soap on the outside of your glass, and so that way you can hire window cleaners less often. Other than that, that's all I got for you. There's a few repair maintenance solutions that we could do, possibly, if you wanted to have some handyman work done. I got a guy for that, and we can help you out however you want to get your home maintained over time whenever you're ready. Look forward to helping you out. My name is Eddie, owner-operator of Multi-Man Services. We service the Rockford, Roscoe, Rockton, Clinton, Janesville, and Madison areas. Look forward to helping you and your neighbors in this neighborhood. Take care.